Hello guys, today I have got the Redmi Buds 8 Lite and I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application on your Android phone. So, at first you need to open the Play Store. Now, okay, I need to sign in. Okay, it was actually quite long, but now we are after that. So, you need to open here, search, and search. Type Xiaomi Earbuds, and now here search. As you can see here, I've got Xiaomi Earbuds. So here tap install. Wait a couple of seconds. And here we've got it. Done, almost done. And here I've got it done. I don't know why, but Play Store crashed for me. I have no idea why. But here I've got it done. So, Xiaomi Earbuds. You need to here tap read and agree. And roll. No, you don't need to tap here the second one. But if you want, you can. So tap agree. Select the region. And here you can tap next, start. Agree, allow, and here when it comes to notifications you don't need to do it, but here you need to tap allow for everything, and now you are done. Of course it will be automatically everything set up when you were previously paired with your earbuds. If you weren't, you'll need to just tap somewhere here plus, add a device, and of course enter pairing mode. That's it, goodbye.